Hello, I'm Mrs. Manisha Pradeep Khaire, faculty of Rasiklal M. Dhariwal College of Pharmacy, discussing the chapter Extraction and Galenical Preparation. First, we will see definition of extraction, the process of removal of desired soluble constituent from plant or animal tissue by suitable solvent leaving behind unwanted insoluble matter is called extraction. Menstruum, the solvent used for the process of extraction is known as menstruum. For example, water, alcohol. Micella or extract, the solution which is obtained after a process of extraction is known as the micella. Mark, the insoluble material left after the process of extraction is known as mark. Various factors which are useful to enhance the extraction, in that first, size reduction, moistening of the drug, use of wetting agent, then temperature and agitation. Galenical. Galen is a renowned Greek scientist explained method of preparation of drug from plant and animals, and these preparations are called as the galenicals. For example, spirits and elixirs. There are different methods of preparation of galenical. First, infusion, decoction, maceration, percolation and digestion. Then ideal properties which are required for a solvent. First, the solvent should be cheap and easily available. It should be physically and chemically inert. It should be non-toxic and selective. It should have low viscosity. And last, it should not allow bacteria or mold growth. First, we will see water. Water is a good solvent for polar substances such as carbohydrates, proteins, tannins, glycosides and salts of alkaloids. It does not dissolve wax, fats, fixed oils and most alkaloids. Advantages of water: it is cheap, it has wide solvent action and it is non-toxic and non-inflammable. Disadvantage of water: it dissolves undesired constituent. Second, it promotes the growth of microorganisms. Third, it causes hydrolysis of many substances. And fourth, large amount of heat is required to concentrate the aqueous preparation. Then alcohol as a solvent. Alcohol is a good solvent for some alkaloids, glycosides, resins and also tannins, organic acids and salts. It does not dissolve albumin, gums, wax, fats, fixed oils and sugar. Advantages: it inhibits the growth of microorganisms. Second, it dissolves selected constituent. Third, it is neutral and non-toxic. Next, it requires small amount of heat to concentrate the product because it is volatile in nature, and the major disadvantage of alcohol is it is costly. Then extraction, it is divided into 5 major processes: infusion, decoction, digestion, maceration and percolation. Maceration process are again divided into simple maceration for unorganized drug, and multiple maceration include double maceration and triple maceration. First, we will see infusion. It consists of pouring water over the drug and allow it to keep in contact with the water for a specific period, usually 15 minutes, with occasional stirring and finally filtering of the liquid. In infusion, cold or hot water, it is used as a solvent. Decoction method. It is the process the drug is boiled with water for a specific period, usually 10 minutes. After boiling, the liquid is filtered and water is added to make up the volume. This process is mainly used for food and thermostable drugs. Then difference between infusion and decoction. In infusion, it is used for extracting soft drug as well as thermolabile or thermostable drug. Decoction, it is used for extracting hard drug or thermostable drug. Infusion, cold or hot water is used as a solvent. In decoction, drug is boiled with water. In infusion, it can be used for extracting volatile constituent. In decoction, it can be used for extracting non-volatile constituent. In infusion, volume is not adjusted, and in decoction method, volume is adjusted. Then we will see simple maceration method. It is mainly used to prepare extract from an organized drug, for example root, stem, leaves of the plant. Apparatus used is a wide mouth bottle with closure is used. Then method, in this process the drug is placed with whole of the menstruum in a closed vessel for 7 days. Then during this period occasional shaking is done. After 7 days the liquid is filtered and mark is pasted. The final volume is not adjusted. Example, tincture of orange and tincture of lemon. Maceration with adjustment. This process is used for preparing extract from unorganized drugs such as gums and resin. A wide mouth bottle with a closure is used as apparatus. Then method. The unorganized drug is placed with 80% of the menstruum in a closed vessel for a period of 2 to 7 days. Then during this period occasional shaking is done. After this the liquid is filtered. Then final volume is made by passing remaining 20% of the menstruum and mark is not pressed. Example, tincture of compound benzoin. Multiple maceration. This method is used to remove the complete active constituent of drug. In that first we will see double maceration process. In this process the drug is macerated twice by using the menstruum which is divided into two equal parts. The whole of the drug is macerated for 48 hours with the quantity of menstruum which is required for first maceration. Then filter the liquid and press the macerate with remaining menstruum for 24 hours. Filter the liquid and press the mark. Mix the liquid and keep it for 14 days and then filter. Example, concentrated infusion of orange, concentrated compound infusion of chirata, concentrated compound infusion of gentian. Double maceration method. Menstruum is divided into two parts. First part plus total drug, it is macerated. Then strain and press the mark. We will get extract first. Then mark is taken plus second part of the menstruum is taken and that is macerated again. Then strain the extract and press the mark. You will get extract 2. Then we will combine extract 1 and extract 2 and we will filter it. Then volume of menstruum which is retained by the drug, it is determined by volume of menstruum which is used for maceration of unit weight of drug minus volume of extract received by straining and pressing the mark. Then menstruum which is required for first part is determined by formula total volume of menstruum minus volume retained by the drug divided by 2 plus volume retained by the drug. Then triple maceration process. In this process the drug is macerated thrice by using the menstruum which is divided into 3 equal parts. The whole of the drug is macerated for 1 hour with the part of menstruum required for first maceration and filter. The whole of the drug is macerated for 1 hour with the part of menstruum required for second maceration and filter. Macerate again for 1 hour with third part of the menstruum and filter. Press the mark. Then combine the liquid obtained from second and third maceration and evaporate it to certain extent. Mix it with the liquid from first maceration, then add 90% of the alcohol and 1/4 volume of the finished product. Adjust the volume with water, allow to stand for 14 days and then filter. Example is concentrated infusion of quassia and liquid extract of senna. Triple maceration method. In this menstruum is divided into 3 parts. First part of menstruum is taken along with the total crude drug. It is macerated, then strain and press the mark. You will get extract 1. Then mark is taken along with the second part of menstruum. Strain and press the mark. You will get extract 2. Again marks is taken along with the third part of menstruum. It is macerated. Strain and press the mark. You will get extract 3. Then finally you will combine extract 1, extract 2 and extract 3. Then volume of menstruum for second and third maceration is equal to total volume of menstruum minus volume required for first maceration divided by 2. Then menstruum for first part is determined by total volume of menstruum minus volume retained by the drug divided by 3 plus volume retained by the drug. Thank you.